Hello, hello everyone! Ayan, magluluto na naman tayo guys. Ayan, yung ating lutuin ngayon is bibi back rib. Ayan, ito yung ating bibi back rib. Pinalambot ko na siya guys. Pinakuluan ko lang siya ng mga 1 hour with salt and pepper. And then, onions, garlic, ginger, and Sprite. I use Sprite. Habang pinapakuluan ko siya, nilagyan ko ng Sprite para mas maging malambot yung kanyang meat. Ayan. Magpapalambot kasi yung mga soft drinks sa meat, guys. So, gawa tayo ng sauce ngayon. Yung ating kailangan is the butter to saute our garlic and onion. This is the garlic and this is the onion. So, for our sauce, we need a Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So I will use 1 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce and half cup of oyster sauce. So let's saute our onions and garlic first. So okay, yung ating frying pan is here now. Lagay lang natin yung garlic and our butter. Yan. Isasay lang natin yung ating garlic dyan. Hanggang sa lumabas yung kanyang fragrance. Okay, so ito yung aking pinaglagaan ng ating baby back rib. Yan. 1 hour ko siya nilaga dyan, guys. Yan. With ginger, garlic, onions, and the whole black pepper. Ayan. Mayroon na yan siyang panitimpla dyan, guys. Saka nilagay ko din yan siya ng half of cubes. 4 cubes. Okay, so brown na yung ating naamoy na yung ating garlic. So let's add the onions. Alright, onions. There you go. Mas mabango kasi siya, guys, pag nagiging brown muna yung ating garlic. Okay, so papa-brown din natin yung ating onions. So, okay, yan na, brown na yung ating onions and garlic. So, let's add yung excess natin na water, yung pinaglagaan natin ng ating bibi back rib a while ago. So, ito na yun, let's strainer. Okay. So, 1 kilo yung aking ginamit na baby back rib, guys. So, kailangan konti lang din yung gawin kong sauce. So, depende din sa gagamitin nyo ng meat kung gaano kadami yung inyong lulutuin. So, yung mixture natin is the Sweet Baby Back Ray's. This is the sauce. At saka yung ating Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce is 1 cup ito siya, guys. And then, yung ating oyster sauce is half cup. I-mixture lang natin yan siya. And then, let's add our meat. I-add lang natin yung meat natin dito para ma-absorb yung kanyang sauce. Maybe it's just 20 minutes to absorb our sauce to our meat. Okay, let's wait for another 20 minutes. Alright, so this is our ayan. This is our baby back rib. Okay, and then later, let's just flip on the other side naman. Para yung other side, malagyan din, ma-absorb na din yung sauce. So later, I can debone this one. Okay, so para hindi siya masyadong stored. Hindi naman nakakain ito, diba? So, tanggalin na. Ayan. So, malambot na yung ating meat, guys. It's melting in your mouth. Okay, so let's wait for another 20 minutes to wait our sauce a little sticky. Okay, so ayan lang. So happy cooking everyone. Let's wait for another 20 minutes and check it later. Alright guys. Alright, so after 20 minutes, ayan na yung ating baby back rib. So let's flip into other side. Ayan. Para yung other side naman yung ma-absorb ng kanyang sauce. Okay, so yan na yung mukha niya everyone. Looks so yummy and smells so smelly. So good guys. Yan, so naamoy niyo na ba? Naaamoy niyo na ba yung naaamoy ko? Alright, so when you serve this one, you can put on top with spring onions for the toppings and for something decor in your menu. So okay, as easy as that everyone, you have your yummy food already. Happy cooking and thank you for watching everyone.